So we're back in another audit at the Town of Howland Post Office. There's some action. It is Friday, the 29th of April. It's 43 degrees, and we'll go in and see what we can do here. Let's see. It's close between Memorial Day.
We can do this. It's all inside work. Let's plan on that. Let me shoot out another email, and we'll schedule it for, try to do it for 8 Sunday night.
Friends. Oh, look, the law.
Okay. No, don't be. Hey, everyone's life is busy.
Workers. Hopefully they're not talking about private stuff. Authorized personnel only. Oh, look, here's some great pictures. Some great pictures of Howland. Oh, this is cool. This is the mill. Oh, this is cool. I think that might be Lincoln. Ooh, this is awesome. This is the Howland Mill. This is what it looked like back in the day. I don't know what. Howland.
Perfect. I appreciate that.
Hi.
Okay. I will.
Some pictures of
All right, look
Howland.
for that email
It
shortly.
might be like the flood or something.
All right, bye.
Or like a fire. What? 1936 flood in Howland.
Winter out. I know, it's ridiculous.
And this is John Howland.
I'm gonna keep it right.
Okay, this is the old bridge, that bridge that I was walking on. Building. This is
It's gonna be year-round service, residential. Have you ever had water service in your name before? I know you have the sewer.
This is
when you
kinda
had the
cool.
camper thing, but have you had water before?
these are
And nobody has any kind of medical life support equipment, stuff like that. Okay.
oh, now this is cool. I come in here. They've got all kinds of stuff in here. Honor the heroes. Thomas. Oh, look, Thomas Free Library. Is that open? New hours for. Oh, now this is cool. Can I turn the lights on? Oh, now this is cool. There's a small library in here. Oh, this is cool. They have displays of people. Howland High School. Oh, these are like high school people from I don't know, but it's neat. Hopefully it stays up there. Class of 1954. Yeah, this is cool. some people in there. Old books. Shoot, I didn't know all this stuff was back here. This is cool. Yearbooks. Let's see. Look at yearbooks. If you're from Howland and you see your year, it goes from 87 to 2007. That's super cool. Ocean World. Got a lot of cool books here, old school books. I bet you there's no weird books in here. It's all normal books. No gender books. Oh shoot, did I say that out loud? My bad. We got a computer. Oh, I wonder if we can get on that computer. That would be cool. Yeah, this is super neat. Oh, we got pictures. Oh, we got cute. These are kids. I don't want to get the kids. There's some. This is cool. That's an office. What's this? What's this? Phase. This is kind of weird. Weird. Oh, look. Maps. This is the town of Howland map. Meadowbrook. Town of Howland. Like the grid and junk. Hopefully I'm not getting busted. Town of Howland grid again. I'm just doing this real quick. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this or not. I don't know if it's public record. Emergency service building. These are like, I don't know what these are, but I'll record them. Yeah, these are some pretty cool places. Support our troops. All right. So, that was a pretty cool audit. I didn't get no interactions. I saw some really cool pictures in there of Howland. This is HHH Audit signing out. Peace.